Hello, this is Scott with Apple Chevrolet here in Tinley Park, Illinois. Coming at you today to share one of our certified pre-owned vehicles. This is a 2017 Chevy Camaro. As you can tell, this Camaro has some custom touches added onto it, such as the black wheels with the red brake calipers that say Camaro on there. We got a aftermarket custom Camaro logo with the red accents. There's also a aftermarket gas cap on there, as well as tinted windows. This Camaro surely is a unique one. It is equipped with the 2.0 liter turbocharged engine, which means even though you're driving a Camaro, you can still get great gas mileage. The GM certified warranty covers you on any powertrain transmission issues that might go wrong with this vehicle, and the bumper to bumper warranty will make sure you're covered from top to bottom. We can take a look inside and see what the interior has to offer here. First thing you notice, you got the upgraded Bose stereo system in there. Very nice dash and leather wrapped steering wheel. And your entertainment system has all the controls you need right at your fingertips. If there are any questions about this Camaro or any other vehicle that we have on our new or pre-owned lot, please don't hesitate to reach out to our sales department. We can be reached at 708-429-3000. That's 708-429-3000. And please do check us out online at applechevy.com. Thank you so much.